Hello everyone, I am Gayatri. Welcome to my brand new channel QBS Makeup Gyan. Today I have brought for you one a great skincare video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's start today's video. Stay tuned with us. See, our skin stays with us for a lifetime. That's why we should know which product is good for our skin and which product or action is bad. Here, by action I mean that applying curd, applying gram flour, taking steam, some other things from hurt from here and there. So it's not right to applying anything without knowing what our skin type is. First of all, we should see whether our skin is oily, dry, natural or sensitive. After that, we have to see that the product we are putting on our face, like soap, face wash, cream, anything we are applying on our face, we must check out whether it's giving us protection or causing harm. When we buy even a small bottle of medicine, it's also written on it that as directed by physician. Then before we applying any cream or soap, why we cannot ask any cosmetologist or beautician? We should be a little skin conscious, shouldn't we? Okay, that's it for today. And see you with the next interesting video. Till then, take care, have fun, bye bye.